Welcome to the Tradepen, your ultimate destination for market insights, trading tips, and professional education. Are you ready to take your trading journey to the next level? Trading is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. A unique approach can help you stand out by offering something different from the typical strategies. Tradepen's course revolutionized my trading approach. I went from confusion to clarity. Imagine a life where your financial dreams become a reality, where your efforts in trading lead to significant growth. Our channel is packed with trading tips to keep you sharp and focused. From risk management to technical indicators, we're here to share valuable knowledge that could make all the difference in your trades. We're committed to helping traders of all levels enhance their skills and make informed decisions in the market. Providing the best solutions for trading mistakes involves a combination of education and discipline. Successful trading is about finding a balance between entry and exit points. Traders often work independently, making their own decisions without relying on a traditional boss or structure. Taking a trading course can be a valuable step to enhance your trading skills and knowledge. Candlestick patterns, chart patterns, trading platforms and tools, portfolio diversification, options and futures trading, market basics, market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, trading psychology, technical indicators, algorithmic trading and automation, market order flow and liquidity. Discuss the realistic aspect of trading, including both profitable and losing trades. Begin with a small portion of your capital and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience and confidence. Tradepen is here to support you every step of the way. Join us in our journey to conquer the stock market and achieve financial success. Together, we thrive. Don't miss this chance to take your trading journey to the next level. Enroll in our course today and unlock the potential for greater success in the markets. Your journey to becoming a more confident and skilled trader begins here at Tradepen. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and never miss an update from us.